I am all about finding methods and systems around the house that are minimal time and effort and that just help me simplify in general. I found some really, really cool hacks for cleaning that I am so excited to test out with you. But then I also wanted to share with you some of the hacks that I use and have been using forever around the house that have really helped me simplify. The first one is stuff that you can put in the dishwasher. I'm gonna put my dustpan in here along with a little plastic comb. Apparently you can put those in the dishwasher. I'm making sure everything goes on the top rack, and then I'm gonna pop my drawer organizer because it's plastic. I'm gonna pop that into the top rack as well. So let's run this cycle and see how everything turns out. I think I'm just gonna run it with my regular dishwashing solution. So let's see what happens. I am gonna test out this toilet bowl cleaner. You use borax. Now, I've been using borax for years in my laundry. I had no idea you could use it in your toilet bowl. Apparently it helps just neutralize odors and it lifts stains. So all you do is put a 1/4 cup of borax into your toilet bowl, follow it up with a cup of vinegar. I think it sounds amazing. Okay, that worked really well. My toilet bowl is beautiful. It's shining, which is what I wanted. I don't know that I would use this on a regular though, just because I feel like borax is it more expensive than it used to be? I mean, everything is, it seems, but this is almost $7 a box where I live, and I feel like that is pricey. So I think this would be kind of in a pinch for me, but it's nice to know different ways that I can use things that are already around my house. A book that I have been obsessing over is A Clean Mama's Guide to a Peaceful Home. This is awesome. I will link it down below. But in this book, Becky talks about all kinds of hacks and tips, methods, routines that can help your cleaning schedule run more smoothly. Now, let me know if you can relate to me on this one, but I'm the kind of girl that will clean the bathroom top to bottom before I move on to the next bathroom. Even if I don't get to the floors or I don't scrub out the shower, I will stay in that room until I've completed every task that I've intended to clean or complete in that bathroom. But what Becky says you should do is spray down bathroom 1, let's say, whatever bathroom you're starting with, and then let the cleaner sit. Let the cleaner do its job. Move on to your next bathroom. Bathroom 2, do the same thing. Spray it and let it sit. Move on to bathroom 3. You get where I'm going with this. And then you circle back around to that original bathroom. And then you start wiping things down. You start scrubbing things. And I absolutely love this so much and have never thought of doing it this way because I always feel like before I leave the bathroom, I have to finish the job. But that is just making more work for me. I feel like when my cleaner could be helping me out. So I love this hack. Another thing I do is I just use the hand towel that's been in that bathroom to wipe everything down because I'm going to throw it in the washer anyway. Our sink, my bathroom sink, has been completely driving me crazy. It's like the caulking has completely worn off and my sink just slides around and it gets this disgusting, what even is this? Is it mold? I like to clean up my vents about once a month. And when I say the vents, I mean the front of them, like the actual wire that goes in front or the metal piece. I just take a butter knife and toss it over a hand towel. It is the perfect size to fit right inside those grooves or those slits. I think this is so easy. I've done it both dry. I find that spraying just the tiniest little bit of cleaner on there is helpful. It helps it go even faster. But this job seems tedious and it does take a few minutes. I only do this once a month or so, but it is the only way I have been able to clean the little metal grating on my vents. So go ahead and try this. Do you ever use a butter knife for cleaning? I feel like it's nice for the windowsills as well. A butter knife will get into all kinds of crevices. When it comes to cleaning the floors, the kitchen floors, the bathroom floors. If I have a big spot or even a small spot that's kind of sticky or muddy or something's kind of just stuck onto the floor and I know it's gonna be tricky to get off with the mop, I will go around and spritz that spot with some surface cleaner. And I will just start mopping, and when I hit those spots, the surface cleaner has kind of lifted the grease or the sticky or whatever it was that was on there, and it makes it so much easier to mop rather than going over and over again with the mop, and it's so frustrating. So I like this because, again, it's allowing your cleaner to do a lot of the work for you. So before I go through and mop, I will check my floor. I will spray maybe 10 or 15 spots. Even if I'm not mopping the whole floor, I will do this as a spot mop, kind of between mopping. I like to mop a couple times a week, but I will do this if I just notice there are a few spots that are really bad. For this next one, we're gonna circle back around with the borax. I'm just taking one of those. This is the Scrub Daddy brand. This was a seasonal little snowflake. These sponges are amazing. They're squishy when they're in hot water and hard when they're in cold water. But what you saw me do is sprinkle a little bit of borax, and you do not need much, and a few drops of dish soap. You can use this to clean your tub, your shower. I love anything that will make this job a little bit easier. I thought this was great. It sudsed up really, really well, and the tub looked amazing. This next hack is for your laundry room. I love keeping items where I would use them most often. So I have a few lint rollers in my house. One of them is in my laundry room. We have a little dog and she sheds. So I like to keep a lint roller in the laundry room. Even if nothing else, I'll do the towels. The little lint catcher does a pretty good job of getting the dog hair, but man, it does not get everything. So if you've got a little doggy or big doggy that sheds, then I highly recommend keeping a lint roller in your laundry room along with a garbage can. These just came out of the dishwasher. They look amazing. I mean, these were both really dirty. The comb, I feel like that was more for sanitizing because it obviously wasn't dirty. I forgot to say pick the hairs out of there first, but these look amazing. I would never have thought to put these in the dishwasher, but unexpected hack. This sticker is coming right off. So I feel like if you have a vase or some dishware and you have a stubborn sticker, put it in the washer and then pull it off right out of the washer. I was not even thinking about that or expecting that at all. That was so easy. So I love that. We had a little unexpected surprise, but this worked so great. Now I'm going to be going around my house seeing what else I can put in the top rack of the dishwasher. Let me know what hack was your favorite from today's video, and I will see you soon. Bye.